Hello guys, so let me show you my work. Ito yung inyong mga data. So you have the distance to nearest seismic source, and then the wind speed and the dimensions A, B, and C. So you have here the 5 groups, and then ito yung school bukol. Ito yung ire-represent ko, okay? So ang building width fronting the wind, that is twice of A and B. So 17 yung sa akin, and then the bottom chord length, that is 15.1. And then ito naman, that is 17 divided by 6. Okay, so 2.833. And then maintain natin yung maximum Purlin spacing na 0.8. Okay, so and then yung ceiling board, 40mm gypsum board, 0.32. Actually, mabigat to eh. And then itong mechanical duct allowance, 0.2. Mabigat din ito. So, ang assumption natin dito, yung ating building ay parang commercial siya. Okay? So, may mabibigat na aircon, ceiling ducts, and then meron siyang insulation na makakapal. So things like those. And then this is me. Itong aking loads. Tapos sa istaad, ginawa ko siyang realistic. In the sense na let's say ang Purlin natin ay ito. Yan. So, yung trusses, bali 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trusses. So, yung 17 meter ko divided by 6. So, ang bawat spacing yan, that is 2.83. Oops. Oh, sorry. 16.4. Okay lang sa drawing ito. So, yung bawat spacing is 2.83. That is 17 meters kasi yung sa akin. And then, idinagdag ko itong naka-cantilever na part ng Purlin. So, that is 1.4 meters on both sides. So, ganito ang labas niya sa staad. Ayan, view, front, ganyan siya. Yan. So this is 1.4. If I will double click, that's 1.4. And then lahat sila ay 2.83. And then this is pin, tapos the rest is roller connected. And then let me show you my loads. Ito yung aking Purlin load, 0.628. And then ito yung aking pattern. So, ito siya. 1.4 yung cantilever, and then bawat spacing is 2.83. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces, and then 7 trusses lahat yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Self-weight is 0.628. Ito yun. And then 0.467 live load. Tapos wind load 1.258. Ito, tsaka 3.521. And then 2.188. Ito. Tapos ear A is 0.9. And then ang trial section ko is tube, pero ipapakita ko yung effect ng gumagamit ng C-Purlin. Okay, so ito yung paggawa ng tube. Instead na channel ang pipiliin mo, ang piliin mo lang is tube. Okay, so the depth is 0.1 of a meter. The thickness of the tube is 1.5 mm or 0.0015 meter. And then the width of the tube is 2 inches or 50 mm or 0.05 meter. Okay, and then ang supports natin is pinned yung isang dulo, the rest is enforced path. Tapos ang ating loads for ayan yung cantilever niya, 1.4. For the superimposed dead loads, live loads, and wind load 1, ayan, ganyan. And then you have two options for your wind load 2. Pwedeng specify mo yung distance A na 0.9, or you apply the load over the entire cantilever. So, mas conservative ito. So, itong sinundan ko. Okay, which leads us here. So, pakita ko yung aking loading. Ayan. Ayan siya, si dead load. Ito yon. Tapos, si live load, ganyan din. And then, si wind load 1, ayan, ganyan din siya. Remember? Now, let's go to wind load 2. Yan. So, sinundan ko yung ganitong pattern. Okay? So, yan yung 3.521. Ito. Which is this. Yan. Galing din yan dito sa seismic and wind 3.521. And then, yung 2.1884, ito siya. Next is, inassign ko yung properties. Una, yung gumamit ako ng 5 inches by 2 inches by 1.5 by 15 mm yung lip, tapos 1.5 mm ang thickness. Okay, so I will use this for now at papakita ko ang effect. Take note na ito yung parlina na 2 inches by 5 inches. Okay, so malaki yan. 2 by 6. Ay, 2 by 5 inches. Or 50 by 125 mm. Now, let's analyze. And then, papakita ko, ayan. Its ratio is 1.08. Fail. Ibig sabihin, mas malakas yung load kaysa sa capacity ni Purlin. Dapat ang ratio mo is less than 1. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mas malakas ang capacity kaysa sa load 12. Ito. Now, let's click ito. So, ngayon, 2.68. So, sobrang laki. Sobrang fail. Ipakita ko ngayon ang displacement. So, sa view, then front view tayo. Tapos, dito tayo sa post-processing. Then, displacement. Using case combination 12. Yan. Okay, so take note ng combination 12, malaki ang wind load. So, hihigupin niya yung parlina mo pataas. Pero, pakita ko natin yung dead load. Nasa, yan. Okay, so mapapansin nyo na tinutulak ng mga dead loads pababa yung parlina. Okay, so ang critical dito is yung, obviously, etong dulo, yung cantilever, tsaka yan. Now, let's double click. Lalabas din dyan yung ratio, 1.08. And let's look here. This is 2.68. So, sobrang fail ito. Okay, now, kung check natin yung C-section o yung C-Purlin, take note na ang web mo dito, isa lang, di ba? Kasi letter C. Samantalang kung tube ang gagamitin mo, ang web mo, dalawa. So, mas malaki ang magre-resist na area dito sa tube. Okay, so paano gumawa ng tube? Dito sa select, ay sa specification, dito ka sa user table, and then instead na mag new table tayo, pipili mo dito yung tube. Yan, instead na channel, you choose tube. Okay, so that's how to assign properties to a tube. Okay, so i-assign ko to. Yan. And let me just show you. By the way, yung tube ay ang ginamit kong tube, ito 2x4 by 1.5 mm. Yan. So 2 inches yung width, or that is 0.05 of a meter, and then the depth is 4 inches or 100 mm, or that is 0.1 of a meter, and then the thickness all around is 1.5 mm or 0.0015. Okay, so ayan yun. Ayan o, tube 2x4 by 1.5 mm. 2 is 2 inches, 4 is 4 inches. Then let us analyze. See what happens. Dapat less than 1 ang ratio. Okay, so this is 0.91. Check natin ito. 0.91. Okay, safe. And then this is 0.5. Ayan. So safe na safe. Mapapansin nyo, pass ito. So kapag malalaking forces, it is more practical to use tube than si Purlins. Okay guys? So okay na ako dito sa tube. And also na-maintain ko yung distance na 2.833. Okay guys, so thank you for listening.